Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. Hindi po ako abogado, isa akong registered nurse sa USA. Pero bibigyan po natin ng interpretasyon, reaksyon ang Philippine Divorce Bill. Article number 8, 9, 10, and 11. Last part na po yan. Ang Article number 8, let's take this in two parts, okay? Ang unang part is ang marital infidelity kung ang lalaki ay nagkaroon ng anak sa ibang babae at kasal pa sila, pwede mag-file ng divorce ang asawa. And ang second part nito is if the husband and wife has an agreement that they will go through in vitro fertilization to have a child, pwedeng sa in vitro, the child could be carried by another woman. Maaaring mayroong diferensya yung babae, yung asawa, kaya the other woman has to carry the child. But then the last part of it is when the wife bears a child after being raped by another person. That's a little bit unclear to me. Article number 9 is an attempt by the respondent, ang lalaki, against the life of the petitioner, ang babae, a common child, yung kanilang anak na wala silang kasal. Pwedeng mag-file ng divorce. And ang divorce article number 10 is abandonment of petitioner by the respondent without justifiable cause for more than a year. Pwede na kayo mag-file ng divorce. Petitioner is the woman. By respondent is the man. Without justifiable cause, hindi nyo na kailangang i-prove sa court ang separation or ang abandonment for over a year. Pwede na kayo mag-file ng divorce. And the last article, article number 11, is when the spouses are legally separated by judicial decree for more than 2 years. Either the spouse can petition at the family court for absolute divorce. Medyo madaling intindihin yan kung meron na kayong legal separation for over 2 years at hindi pa rin kayo nagkakasundo. Pwede na kayo mag-file the divorce. Ang hindi pa lang nila nasasagot sa kasalukuyan ay kung magkano ang gastos kung mag-file ka ng divorce. So, ang pinakang suma ng aking pagbabasa ay hindi pa masyadong maliwanag ang ibang artikulo sa Absolute Divorce Bill. At saka parang hindi sila gender sensitive. At saka wala pang halaga kung magkano ang magagastos sa divorce bill. Kasi ang annulment, umaabot yan almost 1 million pesos.